Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this gele that I've been seeing on Instagram. Seriously guys, this is my first attempt on tying of this gele. This is my first time, so please don't laugh me. Don't laugh the gele. Don't laugh the gele at all. So I start by creating like 4 pleats, then bring it from back towards the front like that. So now I'm extending the pleat that I first create. Just look at that. So now I'm doing the same thing the other side. I'm extending the pleat also. So sorry with this my horrible hand that is blocking you guys. Just pardon that horrible hand. Sorry about that guys. So now I want to twist it at that front like that. Just look at the way I'm doing it guys, like that. Then you tell your model or your client to help you to hold it. So the next thing now, you start creating as if you are creating fan. Just look at the way I'm doing it guys. This is my first attempt. I'm very sure the second time I'm going to tie it now, it will be much better than this one. Just look at the way I'm doing my hand guys, drawing it up like so, like that. So now we'll extend the pleat again, create pleat, extend it, create pleat, extend it, as if I'm doing fan. Just look at the way I'm doing it, like that. And your baby Joshua is at my back again, so it just make the gele to be somehow stressful for me. Your baby Joshua is at my back sleeping, so I back him. So I'm just adjusting it at that back, still creating like plates there, as if I'm making fan. So look at that. So the next thing, I'll be twisting the excess hand, then use office pin to pin it down there. So sorry about the noise. It's Joseph and Clara that they're in parlor making noise. Will you guys stop that? I say I'm making voice over here. So sorry about that guys. See, these children, today is Saturday that I'm making the voice now. If it's that they go to school now, you will not be hearing all this time. I'm so sorry that I'm shouting. Please forgive me, guys. If you have kids, you will know what I'm going through here, please. So look at that. Now I'm adjusting it again, like that. Doing the same thing with the other side, like that. Extend it. This gele, I won't lie to you. If it's I did not buy baby Joshua, I could have settled down and tied the way I really want. But this other side, I really did not like the outcome. But I'm sure that the next time I'm going to tie it now, it will be much better than this. I promise you guys. So now the other hand, now I'm twisting it with the other hand. Then I'll be using office pin to pin it down there, like so. Using an office pin to pin it down like that. So that is what I'm doing. Look at the way I'm sweating in the video. It is wet. So now I want to start adjusting it. I want to start adjusting it like that, like that. So Oh my god, I really love this other side, guys. Like, I love the outcome of this other side. The first place that I tied, I really love the outcome. But this second side, my back is already aching me because I back baby Joshua, so I just tied the way I can tie it. So now I'm just adjusting that side. That is what I'm doing. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please share my video with your loved one and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Please share my video. I'll really appreciate it. I want to still adjust this other side. I don't really love the how it come out. I don't like it at all. So I want to adjust it to at least come out a bit the same with the other one. So that is what I'm doing. So I think it's better like this. But I promise you guys, if I'm now expert in tying it, I'll give you updates of the gele. I'll give you an update of the gele. So that is it, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Oh, please. I will really appreciate it. I will really appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you. Bye.